Meaning of evocative.
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 Evocative. Evocative refers to something that is capable of bringing vivid images, memories, or feelings to mind. When something is described as evocative, it means that it has a strong power to stir up emotions or memories in the minds of those experiencing it. This word can be used to describe a variety of things such as artwork, music, literature, and even scents. The result of something being evocative is often a strong emotional response or a powerful feeling of nostalgia or remembrance.